I diagnosed colon cancer in October 2006. I stayed a little bit shocked when they told me that I have cancer, but I don't feel like that much pressure since then on that time. Not in front of the doctor, not in front of my husband, of course, because when we go to see diagnosed, and then that's what they told. But I'm very calm on that time, and then come home and I say like, why it's happened on me? Because with my age, it's kind of like too young for like colon cancer. So I'm a little disappointed, but overcome, and you say, you have to deal with it, and then move on to to the next one and see what you can do. Let's see, in family, like nobody had any kind of cancer, and certainly that I feel like very pain symptom on my body, especially around the stomach, from month to month, and then we just go to the doctor, regular doctor, like family doctor. And then, of course, he couldn't find anything due to do tests, and then finally she sent to GI, and that's how the GI doctor, they find out, that's colon cancer. And the next step, we go and do surgery. A little nervous on the surgeries, and when we went to the surgery, at first I thought it's just like little minor surgery, how they do the little poking hole thing like that. But the GI doctor wouldn't tell me like a big major surgery. But when you go to the surgeon doctor, then that's what they say, a major. Then I say, what major? Because I never had surgery before. And then they say they cut at least 7 feet colon out of my colon. So I just look, because I don't know what experience are, but later on in seeing then, and then I say, okay, surgery might be just the big step. When you get over surgery, then you're done with it. You don't have to worry about anything, but it's not true. The hardest next step is chemo. Treatment is the big step that I had to went through a lot. So went to the chemo is very tough because I'm not working once, and my kid, the 2 little ones, staying home. I still have to working with them and feed them. And my husband is the only one that working, and beside keep the job, and beside taking care of me and kids, and I beside myself. So I have to do whatever I can. I have to tell myself, get up, because you have 2 little children that they need you. Okay, so that's why I have the tough time, but I have a lot of support from the family, especially my mother-in-law, my husband. No fun to be cancer. I think no fun at all, no fun. And then like say you have to push back. Whatever you planned, and you have to push back. You can't move forward until you have to put your foot back down. That's the worst. That's the worst thing. You can't enjoy with kids. Like say I'm on my situation, I had to put up with everything that planned for the kid. What they do, they have to suffer. Myself suffer. Everybody suffer. That's the worst. Everybody have to suffer with me. So I didn't show my emotion. Even our pain, even our hurt so bad. I just feel very calm and very cheerful. So people around you, they look okay. They never know that I have cancer. Most people, a lot of people out there, they would never know that I have cancer. So with me, I'm not showing my emotion that I hurt. The surprising thing for me is too young to have the cancer, and then too much colon out of my body, but it's still working. That's because usually I don't think that it could be survived, because I didn't know experience at that time. So talk about 7 feet out, then I think that's it. Then first of all, they think I'm gonna have to wear the bag, but later on they say you don't have to. I say the best moment for me, back in my foot, and I have a lot of friends I know more surrounded me. I have the little group called Wednesday group with different friends that they ain't going to the chemo, so we create a group. That's the best moment. So I know more people, and we share different stories to different friends, different cancer. We do a lot of different things together. That's the best moment. That's the way I met a lot more people. So far, so good. Just the last March 15th, that they checked them, seeing it's good. So everything so far, I look like back on track. Completely remission for 4 years now. No, December will be 4 years. The best thing is you can say like you enjoy life more. You think life is very meaningful out there. If you know things happen like this, and then it gives you like a wake-up call. I can say wake-up call. So it's like, you know, enjoy whatever you can, okay, and move on.